How to fix Vodafone data problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Vodafone data problem. So dear friends, we have some steps to solve the problem for data problem in Vodafone SIM. So let's get started. So guys, you have to go to mobile settings, and then you can see here aeroplane mode. Just disable the aeroplane mode, and then you have to go to dual SIM and cellular network. Now you have to select the SIM, and then you have to enable this. Now guys, you have to switch off the phone. You have to plug out the SIM card, and then again you have to plug in, and now you have to restart your device and the problem will be solved. And if the problem doesn't work, then you have to go back, and then you have to go to additional settings or more settings on your device setting. Here is it, additional setting. Go to additional settings and go to backup and reset. Click here, and again you have to click on reset to factory settings. You can see here on the last option, personal data option, reset to factory settings. Click here, and then guys, keep in mind that you have to click only on reset system settings only, not in clear all data. So click on reset system settings only, and then you have to reset here. Now now go back, and then if the problem doesn't work, then there are again some tips to solve your problem. Go to your software updates, and then wait for a while and just see whether there is anything available for the update. You have to update it and see whether your problem will be solved or not. But I hope your problem will definitely solve. So if this problem also doesn't work, go back, and then go to where is it, go to the about phone, go to app management, and then click on show system and go to data. Where is it? Okay, you can go from here. You can just click on dual SIM and cellular network, and then you can see here data saving. Click on data saving, and then allow this, and now click here. Now you can check your apps here, and then now you can see here data use this month. So, and you can see a daily data reminder. Click on daily data reminder and check whether your network is available or not, because the system is in a limited way. You can put the MB, you can take the MB in limited way. So this is the system. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then it might be because of the technical error from the telecom Vodafone company telecom. And then you have to, if you really wanna fix the problem, you can contact with the customer care of the Vodafone. So this is how you can fix Vodafone data problem. Thanks for watching.